something wrong with this function. I don't know what. Syntax error, invalid syntax. What is the syntax error here? Exit code 0. Why 0? Print key of 3. Exit key at 4. It's good, but it doesn't give a reason. I don't know why. It doesn't give a number. One Python to print a number for. Return type. What does it have to be? It's no. This back on sometime. very tricky. Def cube, I got this. Does it need column? And then return. Does it need column? Return does not need column. Music cube 4. This function is not good. Something is wrong with this function. The RAISIT parameter need to be modified. That's why I'm trying to modify it. And it's not. Inspection in reachable code option. Disable specifiers. Okay. Still give it. The function is right, but it doesn't give a result. That's why I don't know. Cube number. Parameter num of cube. Num column gist. Can I apply this? Mult underscore mult this parameter. Is it possible? Let's try and see. Still not working. Numbers. The function is true, but the result is not. I want Python to print the result for me. What is function I need to put here so that Python can give me the result? If I uncomment this one, okay, I'm still not doing something wrong. If I uncomment this one, this function is good, but I want a result. What is don't give me result? So I need to find it. I'm going to find what function I need or what character I need to add here so that Python can print. It can give me, so the exit code is 0. This means that the function is good, but I want Python to print the result of that. For example, when you declare a cube of numbers, so you can ask Python to print something like this for you. 3 power of 3. You see, I just print 3. I think I have to move this parenthesis. This double quote is a print 9. So this is something that I want. This is what I want Python to print for me. But I think something like a return function, I need some code over there so that the result can come. So let's move to the if statement. So how do we use if statement? We use if statement for condition in Python. So if you want Python to execute some task for you, if some condition is true, you have to declare the condition on Python. So this is how we use a if statement. For example, you can say I am driving. For example, you can say I am driving. I'm driving, and if, let's put it right here, I'm driving, right? If, so the if statement, that's just example that I put right here. You can say example, you are driving, right? And then the condition if for example the traffic is the traffic light is for example is red, then you stop, right? You stop. Otherwise, that's the if statement. This is how we declare if statement. Otherwise, you continue, right? You still driving it, right? You move on. Otherwise, you move on. If it is not right, then this means it's green, you move on. So you can also use like another if statement. For example, you can say if the light is yellow, what you can do, you slow down. Otherwise, you stop or you move on, because if it's not yellow, it's either green or either red. So this is how we use the if statement in Python to declare a condition value. So you can declare another if statement by using else if. For example, you can say come here and say else if this, else, no, the else if is one here, else if like this. So for the else if, you can come here and say else if you do another thing, like for example, if the traffic is not, otherwise you move on. If it is not red, otherwise you move on. Or as if you accelerate, something like that. So you create something that you're going to do if the condition is not true. So if the traffic light is red, you stop. Otherwise, you move on. As if the traffic light is yellow, it is not red, and then you can accelerate. So I can take a specific example to see how you can use the if statement. For example, you can come here, you see, and for example, we can use a boolean. I told you we're going to use a boolean who is a true or false, right? The boolean who is true or false in Python. I think we use it with capital letter. True or false equal boolean. You can design something like this, and the true or false is capital letter. So you can come like this. We use a boolean for if statement. For example, we can come here and say is underscore girls equal is underscore girl equal true or false. This is a boolean, so I told you we're going to use a boolean. So This is the variable that I declare. Is girl true or false? Now I use the if statement to do the condition. If this variable that I declare is girl, right? Is girl, and then I put my column. That's the condition. Is girl the variable that I declare by using a boolean true or false? Is girl, come here, I say is, for example, this girl is nice or funny. Funny. This girl is funny. Something like this. This girl is if girl. I cannot print this one. Okay, I can say if girl, then print you are a girl. Simple. If I want to complicate is girl, I can say print you are a girl. If girl, print a girl. Else, so to put the else you have to go back here because it's another condition. So you come here, you say else, then print. You have to be on the same column, same position. Print you are not a girl. You are not a girl. You see what Python is coming here. Is girl true or false? I come here, so I say boolean is true or false. So let's use the true. Is girl, this is the variable whose the variable girls. Is girl the value true? Yes, it's a girl. Then if girls, print you are a girl. Else, print you are not a girl. So if I print this, gonna print you are a girl because the variable here say that the girl is true, so it is the girl. It's true. Independent, unexpected, and then there is something I don't know here that I think I have to remove those. Is girl true? Unexpected indentation. What's the indentation is? Oh, else. Okay. Oh, the indentation is not normal. Is girl. Is girl true? So indentation is not normal. Okay, you are a girl. So because the condition is true for the girls, is print you are a girl. So if the condition is false, it's gonna print you are not a girl. You are not a girl because the condition here is false for the girls. So you can also add another condition. For example, you can add another condition like else. that I use right here. Like you can add an else if. Else if is mean that you are adding another function, so another condition. So else is, you can say else is, right? Else is for example girls. Else is, for example, girls, and you can come here and say Earl is girl, and not, I think the Earth is, guys, doesn't have a double column. Earth is girl, okay. And not, and not, and not Earth is girl, and not is pretty, and not is girl, and not is girl, and not, I can say for example pretty, not okay, I gotta remove that, and not is pretty, and not is pretty, for example. And then I ask Python to print and you are not a girl. You are not you are not my star. S is girl is pretty, mean you are not a girl, and you are not pretty. You are not a girl. And then also else, for else I can see else, I can see you print you are not pretty. Let's Python print this and see. I think I see a mistake here. This condition is give me a okay, so this is a condition I was supposed to put in my cube. Hope so. Else if is not girl and is and not pretty, like this. Maybe I don't need this comma right here. I don't need this. Oh, this red line, I don't like when Python give me those red line. Just say to me that what I'm doing is wrong. Is if else if not girl and not is pretty. Else if Where do the else if need to stay? Else if 1 6 syntax error invalid. Okay, so else if has to be where, like this. No. Oh, nothing there. If is girl, print you are pretty. Else prints you are not a girl. Else if oh, what is this? Else if double colon, hope so. No, the else if don't need double colon because I know the definition. Earth is good and not pretty. The if statement needs to be very good. 1 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Syntax error. Earth is good. Earth is good and not is pretty. Syntax error. As is good and not is pretty. As if. Oh, let's see. As is good. Like this. Alright. And not is pretty. Maybe like this. No. S is girl. Maybe because I was a girl, that's why it's here on me. Change this on mine. S if girl and not if if girl, earth is girl and not syntax error. This is the syntax error. Maybe I have to be here, put this space like this, and then come back here. Else ifs is girls and not, let's say if girl and not is tall. Say something like this. Yeah, put colon. is good and not is okay. Else print you are not, or I cannot use else and else if at the same time. This can be the mistake right here. Okay, let's try this. Cannot use else and else is at the same time, so you are not free. See, that's why it gives me false. It's girl, false. Oh, why is it you are not tall? You are not girl. Well, see, you are not tall. Okay. If's girl, print you are a girl. Else if's girl and not is tall, print you are not tall. Print else if is girl and not tall, print you are a girl. You are a girl, but you are not tall. Let's see this print. You are not tall. Let's change this by true. See what this Python will print. You are a girl. Okay, the girl is true. Is girl, print you are a girl. Else if is girl and not tall. Okay, I have to add another condition for is underscore tall. This is a condition that I didn't ask. Either ask this one is false. Let's see what is girl and not tall. That's why it's print. You are a girl. Right? Is girl is tall. Print you are a girl. Now if is girl and not is tall, print you are a girl but you are not tall. Let's change this by false. True. See the condition. You are not tall. You are not tall. Print you are not tall. I want it to print another condition. Is if is girl and not is tall. Print you are a girl but you are not tall. Is girl true? And then is not tall. You are a girl. Just I have to move one condition right here. else is, I think this condition is not really, it's not working for this one. Else if is girl and not tall, so this girl is true, not tall, false, then print this one. Is girl, print this one. Okay, I have to remove one condition and see. False. Let's bring this one. This condition is not else if and not tall, syntax error. Okay, so there is a syntax error. This else is let's do it another way. Let's bring let's do false, and then come here and see if is girl, right, and then I put my column, and then I say print double column, you are the girls. And then I already said the condition, so else print you are not the girls, and then I can put another if else right here. If else if, not if else if is girl and not is tall, like this, then double column. See, this condition is still not working. Maybe I need this, and then come back here. Else if, another else if, okay, I know the condition that cannot be the same with this one. Else is girl. I think I have to put another condition because I have to add another is pretty. Another condition, for example, say is underscore pretty, right, like this, equal to, we can decide anyone false. So come here, is girl, right, and not can open it is pretty, like this. Close it. This condition is still not working, or maybe also need a double colon here. No, it's not needed. Is girl and is. What's the problem with this definition? As if add tab hand for variable is girl. What does that mean? They could come here and ask Python to print is girl, you are a girl, but you are not pretty, like this. Is this else if it's not else if is girl and is and not is pretty, like this. Does it work? Girl give me syntax error. Else if girl and is pretty. So the else if position is not right. I think I have to put is before else. I cannot put the two at the same time. Okay, that's why you cannot use else if and else at the same time. This is why here. Let's print you are a girl. So if the condition is true right here, if the condition is false, finish exit code 0 nothing, not girl. Earth is girl, print you are a girl. Earth is girl and not is pretty, so there is no declaration of the not girl. Okay, I can say print you are not a girl. On this one there is 0. Okay, ask Python to print the you are not a girl when the condition for girl is not true. Print you are not a girl. This one. So condition for girls false, condition for tall false, condition for spray false. It's Python print nothing. Print you are not a girls. If girls, print you are a girl. Oh, it's not. It doesn't have to be in this position. And then see, and then come here. Oh, it has to be here. It has to be right here. So you can print you are not a girl. You are not a girl. Is pretty. Pause. Print you are a girl. Is pretty. Print you are a girl. Else. Still no more can command B. Let's remove this one and put 2. Let's see what's condition. Nothing. This is something. Is girl and not is pretty. Pretty, you are a girl, but you are not pretty. What's the position going to be for print? Let me see. Nothing. Is girl when you are a girl. Is girl and not is pretty. Pretty, you are a girl, but you are not pretty. If is girl, you have to verify the condition, and not is pretty. So is pretty have to be true or false. So you have to verify the condition is going to print. You are a girl. So why this condition is not? Okay, is girl and it's not pretty. Pretty, you are a girl, but you are not pretty. You are a girl. Why this condition F is not working? This underscore as pretty. This double back need to get out here. Okay, let's bring this and see. Are girls? Is girl true? Is 3 false? Let's remove tall. There is something with this condition. Good. Let's try another way. Is girl true? Print, you are a girl. Yes. Is pretty false? As if I put pretty for is girl and not is pretty print. This declaration is not recognized. This one is not. Okay, let's go back. If girl, when you are a girl, else. Else, when you are not a girl. can see you are a girl. It's true. Yes. So this means false. It's going to print you are not a girl. Okay. Now we have to add another variable for pray for is underscore pray true. If underscore pray true, print you are pray. Let's call that. You are not girl. You are not a girl. You are pretty. Okay, because the girl is condition girl is false. So you have put true right here. You are a girl. But why does pretty? It's pretty false. As I say, okay, it's pretty true. It's pretty true. You are you guys. Oh, I got pretty. How many times? 2 times. Oh my god. Let's move in right here. True. You are a girl. When you are a girl. When you are not a girl, if the condition is false. So when the condition is false, it means you are not a girl and you are pretty. How can you be a girl and then you are not be a girl and be? Remove this. When you are not a girl, print you are not a girl, print you are not pretty. It's pretty false. You are not a girl, you are not pretty. Okay. So this is how the if statement works. So you have to make sure that you respect the condition that you declare. So it's a little bit tricky, so just try to play with it and you can see how you can do many if statement. You can use the else if too. The else is used to add another condition, but you cannot use else. Can you use else if? Let's use else if. Come here. Let's see. Is underscore girls, right?